Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back with our Ways to Make Money Selling in 2024 series. As always, let's get into the video. I'm going to use my print-on-demand framework, idea, research, platform, product, and design. The idea that we'll be talking about today is to develop a line of custom printed fitness and sports apparel, including personalized workout clothing and accessories. The research that you could do is create some type of repeated pattern, giving it a island vibe for workout clothes. The platform of choice today is Art of Wear. I've used them a few times. They have really great quality products. I think I do have a few products and items that I purchased from there that I still own. The product that we're going to use today is the yoga leggings. And the print I created is not showing up as always. I just love this Canva. I just did a black background with palm trees, and you will see the full image on the next slide. So here is the mock-up of the yoga leggings. As you can see, the palm trees are kind of like repeated on the design. It has a black background with the white palm trees. They're pretty much spread out, but you can tell that it is a really cute design. And always don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.